Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a numerical related to initial and final value theorem. We had already seen that the question that is usually asked is you'll have to find out the initial and final value of a signal whose x of s is given. So here our x of s is 7s plus 10 upon s into s plus 2. And by initial value theorem, what does it state? X of 0 value, x of 0 plus is equal to limit x tends to infinity s into x of s. If you have not gone through that video, you could go through the properties of Laplace transform video in which we have seen the initial value theorem. So for this, what do? We just take the limit of the signal tending to infinity and multiply the Laplace transform by s. So it will be s into x of s. Here x of s is 7s plus 10 upon s into s plus 2. So what we'll do is just cancel s and s because they are common on the numerator and denominator. What we are left is with limit x tends to infinity 7s plus 10 upon s plus 2. Now what do we do when we have to solve tending to infinity and when s is there? Now if you directly try to substitute s as infinity, the whole term is going to become infinity upon infinity. Instead of doing that, what we can do is divide the numerator and denominator by s. So what will we get? Divide numerator and denominator by s. So it will be 7s plus 10 upon s plus 2 upon s. So this will be limit x tends to infinity. 7s by s is 7 plus 10 by s is 10 by s. S by s is 1 plus 2 by s is 2 by s. Now if you substitute infinity value here, what will we get? Anything upon infinity is 0. So 7 plus 0, 1 plus 0. So we'll be left with 7 upon 1, that is 7. So we have got our initial value, that is x of 0 plus is 7. Now we'll go to the final value part. Final value theorem. What does it state? That x of infinity, the value of x of infinity is equal to limit x tends to 0 s into x of s. Just replace the tending value from infinity to 0. Again we'll write limit x tends to 0 s into x of s. Here is 7s plus 10 upon s into s plus 2. Cancel s and s. Again limit x tends to 0 7s plus 10 upon s plus 2. Here you can directly substitute 0 because it will not become in the 0 by 0 form. So you will get 7 into 0 plus 10 upon 0 plus 2, which is 10 by 2, which is 5. So by final value theorem, our final value is 5. So we have got both the values. Hope you understood the concept. If you have any doubt related to this video or any other video, please mention them in the comments. If your doubts are in the form of images, you could send them to edututorials252@gmail.com and mention in any of our comments that you have sent it so that I can go through the mail. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.